How to reset your RCBC password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on RCBC, also known as Risa's Commercial Banking Corporation. In order to reset your RCBC password, first of all, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, now in the search bar, type in rcbc.com. This is the official URL of RCBC. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of RCBC. Once you land on the official website of RCBC, here at the top right, you will be able to see this profile icon with the option Login. Simply click on this option and here you will be able to see these options. Select personal or corporate based on your preference and then click on this online banking. By doing so, you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will be able to see this login interface. Here, since we are going to reset our password, so you will need to click on this forgot user ID or password link just below the password box. After doing that, you will be presented with a new screen. Here now you will need to enter these details in order to proceed further. In the first box here, you will need to either enter your user ID or your email address associated to your account. Once after entering your email address in this box, now in the second text box, you will need to enter your account number. Make sure to enter it correctly, and once you have entered your account number, make sure to click on this I'm not a robot checkbox and then a green tick mark will appear. Now you will need to click on this continue button and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to select I need to reset my password option and then click on this continue button right here. Now you will need to follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. Also, you will receive a one-time password on your registered phone number and then you will need to input the one-time password in the provided field and follow the prompts to create a new password. Once after doing that, you will be able to reset your password successfully. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.